What's going on, y'all? Thank you for tuning into this video. So this is really like a part 2 review on 2 things that I'm going to be reviewing and trying out today. Although it's really not a review, it's just sorry about the airplanes. I'm outside. Give me a moment. So anyways, like I was saying, so this is going to be basically a 2 review video. You're going to see another video of me in the same outfit because yeah, I'm doing 2 videos. I'm doing 1 video in 2 videos in 1, however you want to comprehend that.
What?
So I will be finally taking on the 2-pound Crossrope jump rope. And when I tell you guys that I am scared of this thing, like, look how beastly this thing is. Look how thick it is. Now, if you... Did y'all see that squirrel? Now, if y'all haven't seen my review about the Crossrope jump rope, I will link that video up above right here. You'll see it right here. And go check it out. So, the handles are in my pocket. This is how the links look to hook on the actual handles. And oops. And I hope you can see that it says 2 pounds. So again, I'm a little scared, but we're gonna get into the video right now. So here's the handles right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how like fast and easy it is to link it on. So you're gonna take this part of the handle and you're just gonna attach it like that, and then it's attached. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna link it, and there you go. So now the jump rope is fully assembled, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my jump rope routine. I'm also going to include a few other workouts in my routine, and then I will let you guys know how I feel after using this jump rope. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness. This is, oh no. This is, oh boy. Huh. Ooh wee. Okay. Let me stop right there. If you didn't hear me saying oh wow and ooh wee, this thing will give you a whole workout. I'm already out of breath. And when I spun it around, you can hear like the whoa, whoa, whoa. So is, ooh, I don't know how long I'm gonna last in this jump rope. Okay, let me get back to it, and I'm gonna do a few other things. So I had to stop the video because once again, someone complimented the fact that I'm out here working out. Sorry about all the noise that's going on. Ooh, I look crazy. That's okay, I'm working out. She was like, I see you jump rope, and that's a really nice jump rope. And I'm like, yeah, and it's heavy too. So she was just telling me about her story about getting a jump rope and all that. And she was like, now she's definitely gonna get one seeing me out here working out with the jump rope. And I said, yep, I'm out here, come on and jump rope with me. So that's another way I stay motivated, which video coming soon. When other people recognize and see your motivation and they say, man, I want to get out there and do what you're doing, it's like you can come out here and do what I'm doing. So if you're not motivated, just the compliments from other people, I hope that it'll keep you motivated as well. So I'm gonna get back to this monster of a jump rope and show y'all some more. Now, just like the other jump rope, when you turn and twist it, like the actual rope, it swings itself. It doesn't get stuck. You're not, I'm sorry, I'm all extra close. You're not swinging the whole rope. You're swinging the rope itself. The handles, they stay in place. They're very comfortable on the wrist. I mean, it's so easy to work with. Like, I love Crossrope jump rope. And it's not because of the name itself. It's just the way that the jump rope is built. I mean, I know I keep raving about these ropes, but when I really like something, I keep talking about it. So go get you one. All right, so the workout that I did, I'm gonna do that 2 more times. I'm gonna continue to use the jump rope, and I will let y'all know how I feel after the fact. Okay, I'm done with my workout. I just got done. If you guys are wondering where the sweat is, let me catch my breath. If you guys are wondering where my sweat is, because I'm not showing any display of sweat, and if you didn't notice, I don't have a hat on, it's because it's very, very, very cold outside. It's probably like 49 degrees right now. So with the weather and the sweat, for me personally, I will not show any display of sweat until I get back in the house. And that's even like with the summertime too. I'll start sweating when I'm like in the house. So anyway, review on the jump rope. Now let me guys show you, because I don't jump rope on a mat. I actually do not prefer it for myself. I feel like my feet get stuck to the mat and I just don't like the feeling. I know that they say it's good on your knees, but for me, I've been jump roping for a few months now. Again with the airplane. I've been jump roping for a few months now and my knees have been fine. I hope you guys can hear me over the airplane. Actually, I'll wait for it to pass. So yes, here is the damage on the rope. I mean, it's expected when you're jump roping on concrete or on the sidewalk and things like that, that you're gonna get damage out of it. But again, me personally, is wear and tear, like I've mentioned before. And this does not bother me at all. So as far as the rope itself, I really like the jump rope. Just like the other jump rope, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I do recommend though that you start with a lower size. If you are a beginner at jump roping, unless you're looking for a challenge and you really want to go in and you want to go hard in your workouts, then go ahead and get you one. But I personally do not suggest it if you are a beginner. Like if you're starting out jump roping, start with the get lean set, or start with the 1 pound and go from there. Again, like I mentioned, the handles are the rope. They turn, just the rope itself is not the handles that turn. So your wrists are gonna feel comfortable moving with the jump rope. This is a good size for me. You could purchase your jump rope by your height. So again, I have a review on the jump ropes on a video I did way back when. So you could go ahead and check that video out. I do suggest this jump rope once again. I really don't have anything to say. I just want to finally come on camera and use this rope to see how it is. Oh, does it feel like 2 pounds? It honestly does. It feels like 2 pounds. It doesn't feel too heavy at all. I know when you get that initial swing in, it does feel like you swinging a lot. But once you get into the groove and once you start learning your movements and everything, you start learning the jump rope, you should be pretty fine and you should be all set. I hope that this review was helpful. If you do want to purchase a jump rope, I'll leave my link down below. I will also leave other videos about me talking about the jump rope and using the jump rope along the video. So if you have any questions or any concerns, or if you want to just let me know something, give me your thoughts, opinions, concerns and such, I'll try to answer it the best way that I can and the best way that I know how to. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, staying safe and staying healthy, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.